I was just killing time on TikTok, scrolling like everyone else, when I noticed something interesting. One page kept popping up again and again. The name was Sticky the Great. Every video had crazy views, millions, and all he was doing was posting stand-up comedy clips in a fun, animated way. At first, I thought this guy must be insanely talented, but then I looked deeper. Turns out it's not just him. There are dozens of creators doing the same thing, same style, same format. And here's the surprising part. It's actually very easy to do. You don't need a team, you don't need money, you don't even need special skills. You can do this on your phone or laptop, completely free, and people are gaining followers fast with it. So I decided to break everything down and show you the exact process, step by step. No paid tools, no tricks, just a clean system you can repeat again and again. Before we start, subscribe to Make AI and hit like because the next tutorials will help you grow even faster. Let's get into it. Step 1. Find a good stand-up clip. Open TikTok and go to the search bar. Type something simple like stand-up comedy. You'll see a lot of videos. Some are okay, some are boring, some are blowing up. What you want is a clip with high likes, lots of comments, people clearly enjoying it. If people are reacting, laughing, commenting, that's a good sign. Once you find a clip like that, copy the link. Don't stress too much here. If it's working for others, it can work for you too. Step 2. Get only the audio. Now go to Google and search TikTok Video Downloader. Open one of the top results. Paste your link, hit download. When you see options, choose MP3. We only need the voice, not the video. Save that audio file. We'll use it next. Step 3. Create your animated character. Go to Google and search Adobe Express Animation. Sign up if you don't have an account. It's free. Once inside, look for the option to create an animated character. You'll see many cartoon characters. You've probably seen them online already. For this tutorial, choose the sticky style character. He already looks like a comedian. Resize him. Put him in the center. Now he's ready, but he needs a stage. Step 4. Make a comedy stage background. Inside Adobe Express, you'll see background options, but instead of using a basic one, let's create a custom stage. Go to Gemini Nano Banana. Open the image generator. Use a prompt like simple cartoon comedy stage with red brick wall background. Clean and minimal style. In seconds, you'll get a perfect background. If you want, you can even ask it to add your logo to the wall. Download the image. Go back to Adobe Express and upload it as the background. Place your character on the stage. Now it actually looks like a real comedy setup. Step 5. Match the video size. Before animating, choose the correct format. Vertical for TikTok or Shorts, square for Instagram, wide for YouTube. This is important so nothing gets cropped later. Step 6. Add the audio and animate. Upload the MP3 file you downloaded earlier. Wait a moment. You'll see the magic happen. The character starts talking perfectly synced with the stand-up audio. Once it looks smooth, export the video. But we're not done yet. Step 7. Add a microphone. A small detail, big difference. Search on Google, cartoon microphone with stand. Pick a simple one that matches your stage. Save the image. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your animated video and the microphone image. Place the mic image above the video. Use remove background, resize, and place the mic in front of the character. This one small detail makes the video look way more professional. Step 8. Add captions. In CapCut, go to Auto Captions. Let it generate subtitles automatically. Move them slightly so they don't cover the face. Choose a clean, bold style that's easy to read. Once everything looks good, export in high quality. And that's it. You just made an animated stand-up comedy short using only free tools.